everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Help Deck, and in today's guide video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete all of your contacts on your iPhone in one single tap. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to smash that like button as well as subscribe, because we promise to bring you more awesome videos like this one. Now without any further ado, let us start with the tutorial. So maybe you might want to delete all of your contacts on your iPhone very easily, but you are not being able to find that option in the contacts of your iPhone, because actually there is not really an option on your iPhone to actually select multiple contacts and delete them, but you can delete them one after another. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that with the use of a third-party application, because iPhone by default doesn't have this feature. So what you want to do is simply open your app store on your iPhone. Then in the search box you want to go ahead and type in groups. Once you type in groups, you will be able to see this application right over here. You want to make sure to download this application, which is in this logo right over here. Once you have made sure that you have actually downloaded this groups application, you want to simply open this application right from here. You can also go back to your home screen. Once you do that, as you can see, this is the home interface or the default home layout of the groups application. So what you want to do is simply tap on the all contacts button right over here on the top of the screen. You will be able to see 409. You want to simply tap on all contacts button right over here, and if an ad pops up, then you want to simply close this ad down. So once you tap on all contacts, you can see these are some of the contacts which we want to select. Now if you want to delete all of your contacts on your iPhone, then very easily on the top left hand side you will be able to see a select all button. Simply tap on select all right over here. Once you tap on select all at the top of the screen, again you will be able to see the option called choose action. Simply tap on choose action button, which you see, and at the bottom of the screen at the second last option you will be able to find the option called delete contacts. So what you want to do is simply tap on delete contacts at the second last option of the screen. Once you do that, again it will ask you for a confirmation whether you are sure about this or not. Then you can simply tap on this red button which says remove from my iPhone. Once you do that, all of your contacts on your iPhone will be deleted in one single tap. So in this way you can really easily delete all of your contacts on your iPhone, because iPhone by default doesn't have this feature. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to smash that like button as well as subscribe. And if you have any more questions regarding this, then also make sure to leave them down under the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.